Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always, me, Virus, and this time I'm saying hi from Sweden, Scandraft training facility. And we're here to provide GSWF Bronze Certification training and first ever GSWF Silver Certification training. Silver is advanced training, second level, and it is focused on colored paint protection film installation. And if you don't know, GSWF have a bunch of colored PPF. All these colors are paint protection film. And that's on what we're gonna focus during silver training. And our training room looks like this. Here in the middle, we're gonna put a car. On the left, we have a nice banner. On the right, we have a huge GSWF light box. And on this table, I'm gonna put my tools. Still, a lot of tools needs to be unpacked, so let's do that. Inside this conference room, we're gonna cover all theoretical part about paint protection film, templates, bulk installation, and etc. On the screen, we're gonna show my slideshows, and of course, here are gonna be some guys. At the moment, it's empty, so let's wait for guys, and then we're gonna start our training. This week at Scandraft, we have first ever GSWF Silver Certification training. And I would like to show you how it looks. Because Silver Certification is all about learning and mastering your colored paint protection film installation techniques. So, behind these doors, we have training class. Ooh. Training will take 2 days, and our goal is to wrap this car completely. We're gonna wrap it using orange paint protection film. Roll this right here. As well, we're gonna play with pink, green, and blue. Car is almost ready. And guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
No? Yeah?
No, maybe not. I don't know.
So, let's do it. So guys, thanks all of you for coming. I hope you're happy using this product and you like it. I hope you learned something new today and yesterday. Also. So yeah, thank you very much for coming. Stay on. Thank you very much. Keep practicing, keep working. Thank you very much. Then we have Daniel. Now we will start to learn your name. Thank you now. Very well, knowing that it was your first time, so thank you. That's the first one. Christian.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming. Alex. Thanks, Alex.
Thank you. Really nice.
Joachim, no?
No,
So for you, half certificate. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for using this product. I hope you learned something today and yesterday.
Yes, thank you.
And that one was spare work. So thank you Eddie for participating. Thank you for organizing and inviting people from Norway. Because without you, we're not gonna calculate every day. Right? So just please improve your webcasting skills. Thank you very much. Present themselves. So thank you very much for
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
So, first ever GSWF Silver Certification is over. We had 8 people, all of them did very well, all of them got certificates as well. We wrapped this car completely. Now it is not black anymore, it is orange, it is very bright orange, and it is colored paint protection film, which gonna last 10 years. If you would like to learn more tips and tricks about color paint protection film, send us a message or leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. With you was me, Virus, and I will see you next time. Bye.